Welcome to all of you students. Today let us complete our lesson on subject verb agreement part 3. Okay? So today uh, let us know some other points, some more points about the proper use of verbs with the subjects. First of all, in the note number 1 you should see when a plural number applies to dance, distance, time, weights, amounts of money, etc. You should remember here distance, time, weights, amounts of money, etc. and refers to a single figure or quantity. Then it is treated as or regarded as singular and takes a singular verb. It is very easy to remember, very easy points. Suppose 10 rupees, that's not a big sum. Here in the bracket there is be verb, be verb. Here the subject is 10 rupees. This is the amount of money. So it should follow by the be verb, that is. 10 rupees is not a big sum. It is very easy. 10 rupees here seems to be plural in form, but as it refers to the amount of money, so it should take is for its proper verb. Okay. Second thing, 5 kilos of wheat. Here there is subject. 5 kilos of wheat subject. Kilos, it seems to be plural, but it actually that is not plural. It is singular. So it must follow the singular verb like costs. 5 kilos of wheat dash 100 rupees costs, because this is the weight, you remember, weight. So the weight should follow, should take the verb costs here for its correctness. Similarly, 80 years, 80 years you should follow. 8 years, it is the time. 80 years, though it seems plural in form, but actually it is singular. So it must take singular verb, that is. 80 years is a long time. R will be not applicable here. 9 kilometers, dash not a long distance. So like this, is am are in the bracket, which is correct. 9 kilometers is, because it is distance. This subject refers to distance, so it must follow the singular verb, that is easy. Clear? Next, let us know some other things. In English, sometimes we come across some group words, or you can say they are called collective nouns. You know that collective nouns are group words. So sometimes we face problems in using the correct verbs after the collective nouns. When these collective nouns are used as subjects. First, you should remember in the speaker, when the speaker thinks the thing as a single whole, he must use singular verb. It is very important to remember. It depends upon the speaker actually, what the speaker thinks, and if he individual members of the collective noun are considered, the speaker must use plural verb. It is very important to remember. It depends on the speaker, whether the speaker is thinking of a single body or the all the individual members. Plural verbs. First, you should see here some examples of collective nouns are. First, you should know in English some words are there. They are called collective nouns like jury, committee, family, team, government, or say government, council, mob, multitude, etc. There are some words like this, and according to the speaker, these nouns become singular or plural. You just follow these examples like the mob. Here the word mob, dash under control. Here the speaker thinks that this collective noun as a single body. So he must use singular verb. The mob dash under control. Was or were, which will be correct here? The mob was. Because here the speaker thinks that the mob is a single body, a singular form. That is why the word was is here applicable. You should remember this. Other thing, the jury. It is also collective noun. Subject. The jury dash selected its chairman. So, here some verbs are auxiliary verbs are is, has, have. Which is applicable here? The jury. You should see the jury. The word jury is followed by single verb here. As the sentence is in the present perfect form, so you should use has. Has. Why has is applicable, not have? You remember, it is because there is another word its. The jury here is its. So its is in a singular form. So according to the speaker, the jury is here singular. So the jury has selected its chairman. That means the speaker thinks that the jury as a single body. That is why the verb has is here applicable, not is, have here not applicable. Okay, but in the other sentence you see the jury, the same word is the jury is here. The jury dash divided in their opinion. You should see here is also the word jury. The in the bracket the verbs are was, were. You remember, here the speaker thinks that the jury, the members of the jury, here the people thinks all the members of the jury. So there is another word like they are. There is a plural in form. You remember, there is another clue. So the verb will be plural. The jury were. How to know that where is correct here? From the word they are, we come to know that the jury is here plural. This word. That means the members of the jury. The jury means the members of the jury. This word refers to the members of the jury. That is why it is plural and it should take plural verb. Okay. The council dash today in the town hall. Here automatically the word will be, according to the speaker, the council is a single body. So it must take singular verb. As the sentence is in the present simple tense, so the council meets, and then this is subject of the collective noun is in the present simple and third person form. This is in third person singular form. In the tense of present simple, it must take a meets. The council meets today in the town hall. Meet will be incorrect. Okay. Another two sentence you should come across here. The committee, here the word committee. The committee dash unanimous on this issue. Here, according to the speaker's wish, the speaker thinks that here the committee, the word committee, though it seems to be a plural in nature, but actually that is a single unity. It refers to single unity according to the speaker. That is why it is a singular collective noun. So it must take singular verb. That is was. The committee dash unanimous on this issue. What is the correct answer? Was. Okay. Another sentence is there. The committee divided on this issue. The same collective nouns but a different verb. How? You just see the committee divided on this issue. No clue is here. But according to the, if in the bracket is there individual members, so it becomes plural in nature. So you have to use were. Okay. The committee was, the committee were. So it depends on the speaker's wish. Next, you should follow another thing, very interesting. In English, if some subjects, if the subjects begin with some phrases, some phrases like there are some phrases like a good deal of, a great deal of, a lot of, plenty of, most of, some of, etc. These are some of the phrases. If the subject begins with these phrases, the verb agrees with the noun that follows such phrases. Very important to remember. Verb agrees with the noun that follows such phrases. For example, a great deal of money dash spent for her wedding. A great deal of money. Where is the noun? Money. Money is the noun. And this noun begins with the phrase a great deal of. A great deal of. Remember, after a great deal of, there is a singular noun. A great deal of money was or spent or were spent. Which is correct? It makes the sentence singular. So it must take was. A great deal of money was spent for her wedding. Here singular noun, so it must take singular verb. But the phrase is a great deal of. In the next sentence, a lot of people. This is the phrase, a lot of. But after a lot of, there is a plural noun. So depending upon the noun after the phrase, the verb should follow. A lot of people, that is people is a plural, so verb must be plural. A lot of people were present at the meeting. Okay. Similarly, some of, you should follow some of the students. The students is a plural noun, but before that there is the phrase some of. So after some of, there is a plural noun. So automatically the verb will be plural. Some of the students dash visited Puri. As it is in the present perfect form, that should have must be correct. Have. Okay. The next sentence, some of the music. Here you see The same phrase sum of, but after sum of the noun is the music, which is the uncountable singular noun. So it must take singular verb. That is, what is the verb here? Was, where was will be correct. Which word will be correct? Students, some of the music was excellent. Okay. Then other things are there in the use of this subject verb agreement. You should follow the other sentences. Note 4, you follow phrases like a congregation of. You should mark here a congregation of. These are also group words. A congregation of, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a herd of, a regiment of. Then plural noun but singular verb. It is very interesting and very important rules to follow. If the phrases like a congregation of, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a herd of, a regiment of, then there must be plural noun, but there must be singular verb. You see some examples. A herd of elephants dash breaking the bananas. In the bracket there are two be verbs, is are, which will be correct here? A herd of. A herd of, but noun is plural, but verb is singular. Okay? This phrase a herd of makes the entire group singular. That is why this sentence should follow by singular verb is. Similarly, a crowd of people, a single unity, you should remember. A crowd of people is plural, but a crowd of. This word makes the noun singular or a single unity. A crowd of people dash shouting slogans. Was or where, which will be correct here? Was. Singular verb must follow. Other things, okay, if the subject is a fraction, sometimes in English we come across the subject, but that must begin with the fraction, like 2/3 or 3/4, etc. The verb agrees with the noun that follows the fraction. Very interesting to remember also. In these two sentences we can see 2/3 of the petrol. 2/3 of the petrol dash evaporated. Here you see petrol is the singular uncountable, but this word is followed by the phrase 2/3. This is the fraction. So after this fraction, there is a singular uncountable noun. Petrol is uncountable noun, so that must follow the singular verb. You should see has and have in the bracket, which will be correct? Has. 2/3 of the petrol has evaporated. Okay. Another thing, 3/4 of the mangoes. Here you see the mangoes is the plural countable, but this word or noun begins with the fraction 3/4. This is the fraction. So according to the subject, that must be the plural verb. The 3/4 of the mangoes are rotten. Are. Okay. Then last point you should remember. Remember in a simple manner. The phrase like, very easy, the phrase like a number of, then noun plural, verb must be plural. That means if the sentence begins with a number of, and after this a number of phrase, there must be plural noun and the verb must be plural. But the phrase like the number of must follow plural noun but singular verb. You should see here, a number of people dash suffering from COVID-19. A number of, a phrase is the a number of, after this people. You should see, a number of phrase is followed by plural verb, that is are. A number of people are suffering from COVID-19 are. But the number of, the number, here is a number, here is the number. The number of the coronavirus victims dash increasing rapidly. You should see, the phrase is the number of. So the number of is always followed by singular. That is easy. Easy is correct, R will be incorrect. Okay. So with this your lesson ends here. In the next class you will be taught literature in English on poems. Thank you, students.